Well, apparently it wasn't rinsed off good enough, so there you go. Gonna have to continue that. Can't tire shine on soaking wet wheels. Oh well. On the plus side, you can see the ceramic detailers just beading up nice, running right off the truck. It's going to make it much easier to dry. Everything's clean, so I'll just have to get it dry again in order to finish out this video. Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 in our side-by-side tire shine comparison that we're doing. If you missed the first video, go back. I compared Adam's Tire Shine versus their Graphene tire dressing. Great results from both of those. Today we're going to use Chemical Guys VRP, which is vinyl rubber plastic, on the rear wheel. And I had this laying around. I've liked it before, so we're going to use this on our front one. Plus Armor All's been around for a very long time. So on the front tire we're going to use Armor All Extreme Tire Shine. And we're going to see how these do. I'm going to do this one a little different than the first video. I'm going to go ahead and complete clean this side of the truck, and then we're going to do side-by-side comparison of these two products. So if you missed the last one, go back and watch that, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, so we're still using Super Clean all-wheel cleaner in this. I'm going to go ahead and pre-soak the wheels and tires, and then we're going to foam can the vehicle. This is just an initial soak because this is extremely muddy, and I don't want to wash with mud, obviously. cleaning's complete, we're going to go ahead and let this air dry the rest of the way, and then we're going to ceramic detail the side. I know you guys couldn't see it, but the other side dried off amazing because we had already done that. And then we're going to get going on our tire shines, so stay tuned. Welcome to the real world. That's what happens. Alright, pretty much quit raining, so you can see what the ceramic detailer does. Everything's beading up really good. That's going to make drying much simpler. So I got to check radar. I want to make sure that this is done, and I'm going to go ahead, blow it off, dry it real quick, and then hopefully we'll be able to get these finished out. We're going to do VRP on the back, and again, Armor All Extreme Tire Shine on the front. Chemical Guys VRP. It's vinyl rubber plastic, so you can use it interior, exterior, on vinyl, rubber, or plastic. This is going to be a lot more difficult to apply than the other ones because it's not a spray. However, overall, I like it for a lot of things. I've never really used it on tires, so I just wanted to see how it holds up. I primarily use it for interior stuff. But like I said, the problem with this is the application is going to be extremely difficult because it's, you see, like a gel. Tire Shine. This one's going to be a lot like the others. It's a spray on and just let it dwell. This one sprays really nice. Honestly, this is the best spray so far out of all of them. As far as how it spreads and viscosity, I'm not worried about hitting the rims because I'm going to final wipe them. We're just going to coat this one good time, let it sit and dry, and see how it does. So I am spraying it pretty heavy. We'll make sure that there's no runs. Alright, final look at the last two that we did in this series. Here's Chemical Guys VRP. Overall looks great, just very hard to apply. And if we move forward to the Armor All Extreme Tire Shine, I liked how easy it was to put on. However, I like the shine better from the other three so far. So hold on and we'll do a 1 through 4 what I would recommend, and keep in mind this is just my opinion. Alright, so these are what I would use from left to right in order. Like I said, there's pluses and minuses to all of them. However, for our current conditions, I think the Graphene tire dressing did the best overall. The Tire Shine second, the Extreme Tire Shine by Armor All third, and VRP I put fourth, and that was just purely off of how hard it was to use. However, I like all of these products. They all did very well. I just think that currently I would go with the Graphene dressing. Now, we're going to do an update in a week or two and see how they're holding up. And like I said, that could change the order in which I would do. VRP, again, used for your trim, plastics, and interior, is amazing. And it holds up great, makes cleaning much easier to do. I'm just not sure that it's going to hold up on the tire. And because of these knobby tires, you know, this was the VRP. It was very hard to apply. However, I only did 1 coat of this, and all the rest, well, excuse me, these two each got 2 coats. This got 1 heavy coat. I let it somewhat dry and sag, and then I brushed it out to even it out, and the VRP was a 1 coat only. There's not really much benefit to doing 2 coats of VRP. So that's what my honest opinion at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope it helped somebody. And drop a comment if you've used any of them, or if you just know something that is phenomenal as far as Tire Shine goes. Please drop a comment, because I am in search of something that's going to hold up long term. With, you know, I don't mind doing the work, but I want it to hold up. Thanks again. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody.